Hi everyone, I want to hop on here to congratulate Tesla on its Q1 quarterly result. In Q1 2021, Tesla delivered over 180,000 vehicles. The exact number is 184,800 vehicles. So I'm very excited for Tesla and Tesla shareholders out there, and I want to hop on here and share with you guys my thoughts. But first, if you're new to my channel, my name is Phi and this is Money Philosophy. I talk a lot about personal finance, investing, trading, and I'm very partial to Tesla. In this video, I'm going to break down the various price level for Tesla for short term, and I will also share with you my trajectory for the longer term for Tesla. So stay until the end of the video for all of the price targets, and this video will be short. I promise it'll be worth your time. If you remember from my last video, I did an extrapolation where if Tesla delivered 88,400 vehicles for Q1 of 2020 out of 500,000 total vehicles for the entire year, that was equating to about 17.68%. And by extrapolation, if we're looking at 184,800 vehicles in Q1 of 2021, that would easily equate to over 1 million vehicles for 2021. So this is a huge number, and Tesla would effectively double 2020 delivery if it does deliver 1 million and above for 2021. So historically, you guys can see that Q1 is the weakest quarter in terms of performance, and it will usually have a drop off from Q4 to Q1. So for example, Q4 2018, we're at 91,000 vehicle delivered, and then Q1 of 2019, we dropped down to 63,000. Similarly, Q4 of 2019, we're at 112,000, and then Q1 of 2020 we dropped down to 88.5 thousand. But this year, however, Q4 of 2020 was 180,000, and we see that Q1 of 2021 at 184,000. So it's a slight increase, but it's a phenomenal step in the right direction for Tesla. Even with the headwinds that Tesla was facing in Q1 of 2021, such as in the middle of the pandemic, in the middle of a chip shortage, in the middle of line downtime for Model S and X refresh, Tesla still managed to deliver 184,000 vehicles for the quarter. If we're looking at the tailwind for this company for 2021 and beyond, we see that the Cybertruck production could potentially enhance future deliveries. We see that Berlin and Austin gigafactories are ramping up, and I expect that these two gigafactories could potentially add up to another 40 to 50,000 vehicles in 2021. But Tesla also has a major tailwind of the Biden administration announcing the infrastructure bill that allows for EV assistance for American-made EV in particular. It also has the widespread adoption and acceptance of the consumer when it comes to EV. So at the annual growth rate of 50% year over year, starting with 1 million vehicles delivered in 2021 as expected, we should see that for 2022, Tesla would deliver 1.5 million vehicles, 2023 at 2.25 million, 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, 2030. That is 38.5 million vehicles on the road by 2030. Now, if Tesla doesn't even linear 50% year over year, you can still expect somewhere between 25 million to the 35 million range. That is a very good number to look forward to. Now, if we just pick a number, let's pick a conservative number at 20 million vehicles by 2030, and multiply that by the average selling price of 40,000 per car, we see that Tesla is already at 800 billion in revenue. Now, if we're taking a look at 2020, Tesla is at 31.5 billion in revenue. We're talking about in less than 10 years, by 2030, Tesla is going to have 800 billion in revenue, excluding alternative energy, battery, solar, and autonomy. I don't see how anyone in their right mind would sell Tesla stock at the moment. So getting back to chart analysis here, this is Tesla daily. On the daily, it does look a little bit bearish here. When Tesla ended today on Thursday, it started high, gapping up, and then filled the gap and went negative for the day. This is almost like a dark cloud cover, which is very bearish, but it does miss a few criteria before it becomes a full-blown dark cloud cover. So it's not there yet, thankfully. With the delivery news, however, I do think that Tesla could be propelled further, and whatever technical analysis that I can see here could be changed with this delivery catalyst. So the next resistance level is 700, 717, and 741. Once Tesla surpassed 741, it has a mini gap here to fill. It will fill that gap at 780, and the next level is 824, 853, and 900. From my last projection, Tesla could get to above 1,000 very quickly once it gets to 900 level with volume. And so right now, what we're waiting for is momentum and volume, and it seems to be creating that perfect storm with the new delivery estimate, with the new delivery number that just came out. So I do think that Tesla has the opportunity to surpass 900 in the next few weeks, possibly few months. But when Tesla does run, it runs really fast and furious. I wouldn't be surprised if Tesla becomes 900, back to 900 level before the next quarterly earning.